I called it. The director is Amethy's father. Though I was spoiled by the confirmation of this by the official Twitter account, but I was right. I assume he'd be nearby than we think and might be trying to stop Gibeon in his own way. In this case, I theorize it was him since he must know about the Requiem and he'll destroy it or something from the inside by being in Exceed where it's held. If you're asking which video I said it, I honestly don't know. I don't remember, but it might be in the Capsakid video or the What If We Got Two Cave-In episodes. If not, I don't know. It might be it's another Amethio focus video. I honestly don't remember. I'm sorry. Either way, after being spoiled on top of getting abandoned, I had the feeling Amethio will be neglected by his own father. And even though I called it, I'm disappointed his father isn't as active in stopping Gibeon or even the trio, the Amethio, Zero, and Konya is going to search for him storyline. With this, I honestly have no idea what Amethio will do in this arc because I thought he'll spend it by searching for him. So if that's the case, why is he in the poster? What will he gonna do? Is he actually gonna join the Rayquaza fight at the end of this arc? It's kind of repetitive and there's no sign that he knows they are there. So I don't know. And I was right in my theory. The director just ignored him. The chinchilla, I don't know the name, I'm honestly new to Pokemon, looks at him and looks concerned. And it also kept looking at the director as if saying to look at Amethio. As a huge Amethio fan, I'm so hurt. Look at him! Just please look at him. I must guess it took Amethio a long time to approach his father and he got treated this way. Oh my god. My boy, I'm so hurt. I'm hurt for him, and he did even stop what he's doing and say something like, no, I won't let you near the eternal blessing because it's dangerous. Not that I have the ability to access it anyway. And please stop doing this for your grandfather. There's nothing like that at all. It's just, no, go away. No! Why? There's not even 1% of any concern from him. I theorize Amethio could be neglected, but not the father too. I thought it's just Gibeon. Why? I thought you'd be the one to save him, but you're part of the problem. Amethio deserves better. My boy deserves better. At least he has Zer and Konya. Speaking of which, where are they? Just when we finally see them again after like how many arcs? 2 arcs? I thought they'd appear somewhere in the back and could barely see them, but no, there's nothing of them. They're missing again. Why? Cerulege look offended too. I feel the same way. Furthermore, Spinel knew, and the director did not look at Amethio, but he did with Spinel. And apparently, Spinel doesn't hide his identity. He goes as Spinel in the Exceed. But does the director know he's part of the Explorers? And how dare the director say Amethio is in a rebellious phase? If we pay more attention to him, maybe he would be less rebellious. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is your problem? The chinchilla even looks happy when Spinel arrived too. What the fuck? What does that mean? With Amethio, you know, with Gibeon and with this reveal? I mean, this is just one interaction, but I will just assume that this is their relationship so far. So I do wonder how Amethio is as nice as he is. Like, you should be thankful he's not even like villainous, you know, like mess up in the head. And he's so nice, especially to Zer and Konya, and also like to the Pokemon. He's also nice to the Pokemon, and he's also pretty nice to the Rising Volticars. He's kind of antagonistic, but he's not villainous, you know. He should be thankful. Like maybe Zer and Konya help him with that. So you should be fucking thankful, and you didn't even do. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of ranting here. For now, I can't forgive him. I don't have any idea what my expectation or what is my bare minimum for him to be redeemed somehow. Or maybe there'll be a plot twist that, oh, actually, I'm just pretending to be mean to you, but actually, I care about you a lot, and this is to keep you safe. Like, even if it's that, it's kind of bullshit. Oh my god. So I'm not surprised by their revelation, but I honestly don't know what the Matthew father storyline or even the Gibeon family storyline will gonna go. So I'm kind of curious about that. So I suppose that's it for this video. I'm sorry it kind of turned into a rant somewhere, and I hope you guys kind of enjoy this and maybe you have the same feelings as me, and I suppose see you guys next time. Bye!